Thimphu thrives in peace and progress. But true security lies not only in development, it lies in preparedness. To strengthen disaster preparedness, national leaders gather for 2 days tabletop exercise on earthquake response.
In the event of a major earthquake, Thimphu could face thousands of casualties and widespread displacement.
So the chief expert with the Hammer and Majid DLG Team Khatale, he Khatale as a member secretary to NDMA, and Norshid has to go.
A strong response cannot be built during disaster. It must be prepared before it strikes. In this room, strategies are tested, roles are clarified, and decisions are shaped to protect our communities during a major earthquake. The exercise simulates real disaster scenarios, enabling leaders to evaluate response plans, communication flow, and coordination mechanisms. Through collaborative discussion, we identify gaps, reinforce strengths, and ensure a timely and effective response when an earthquake strikes. Every scenario discussed here today prepares us to act faster, respond smarter, and save more lives tomorrow.
Let me go by the question that you asked so that there is a structure to how when I provide my response.
Understanding of how we should be reacting and how actively engaging one is structurally sound and relevant, but
prepare mentally as well as go down.
We were able to communicate properly with some of the desks and resolve
from other desks to facilitate and to provide our services.
Very useful, that went well. And then it
also had extensive consultations with the stakeholder agencies.
Making, right? Like, can you take a decision to do A, B, or C within one desk, or does every decision need to go up?
That I thought was very reflective of what we are in right now, highly ill-prepared.
This exercise reflects Bhutan's commitment to collective preparedness, where leadership, coordination, and readiness come together to safeguard lives. Preparedness today, ensure resilience tomorrow. Together, we build a safe Thimphu, safe Bhutan.